Welcome back to Talk Nest English. I'm Mark.
And I'm Jenny. Thank you so much for coming back to learn English with us.
Today, we will learn a very useful topic, some and any. We will learn the meaning, the differences, where each one is used, tense usage, sentence patterns, positive sentences, negative sentences, question forms, WH questions, spoken English, daily examples, common mistakes, and we will practice together.
That sounds exciting. I always get confused about some and any.
Don't worry. Many students make this mistake. By the end of this lesson, you will feel much more confident.
Let's start.
Great. First, some and any usually come before nouns. They talk about an amount or a number, but not an exact amount.
So they do not tell us the exact number.
Exactly. If I say, I have some books, you know I have books, but you do not know how many.
And if I say I have some water, you know there is water, but not the exact amount.
That's correct. Now let's learn when we use some.
Yes, please.
We usually use some in positive sentences.
Can you give us examples?
Of course, I have some apples. She bought some flowers. We need some sugar. They found some money.
Those are easy.
Very easy. Now, listen carefully. Some can be used with countable and uncountable nouns.
Countable means things we can count, like books, chairs, and pencils.
Exactly. Uncountable means things we usually do not count, like milk, water, rice, and coffee.
So I can say I have some friends.
Yes.
And I can also say I need some milk.
Perfect.
Now, what about any?
Great question. We usually use any in negative sentences and questions.
Can you show us?
Sure. I do not have any money. She does not need any help. We do not see any cars. They did not buy any fruit.
I see. Negative sentences use any.
Most of the time, yes.
What about questions?
Listen carefully. Do you have any brothers? Is there any coffee? Are there any questions? Did you buy any bread?
So any is very common in questions.
Exactly.
I want to try one.
Go ahead.
Do you have some pens?
That is possible sometimes, but for a normal question, we usually say, do you have any pens?
Oh, I understand.
Good job.
Then when can we use some in questions?
Excellent question. We often use some in questions when we are offering something or asking for something politely.
Can you give examples?
Would you like some tea? Can I have some water? Do you want some cake?
These sound friendly.
Exactly. We think the answer will probably be yes.
So if I visit your house, I can ask, can I have some coffee?
Perfect.
And you can ask, would you like some biscuits?
That's right.
Let me try another one. Do you have any coffee?
Correct.
Do you want any coffee?
That sounds less natural in this situation. We usually say, would you like some coffee?
Many students make this mistake, right?
Exactly.
Let's practice positive sentences.
Great idea. Repeat after me. I have some friends.
I have some friends.
She has some homework.
She has some homework.
We bought some fruit.
We bought some fruit.
Excellent.
Now, negative sentences.
I do not have any money.
I do not have any money.
She does not have any time.
She does not have any time.
They do not need any help.
They do not need any help.
Very good.
Now, questions.
Do you have any pencils?
Do you have any pencils?
Is there any milk?
Is there any milk?
Are there any students here?
Are there any students here?
Perfect.
What about WH questions?
Great question. WH questions also often use any.
Can you show us?
Sure. Where can I buy any batteries? Why do you not have any food? Who has any extra paper?
Those are useful.
Yes, in daily English, you will hear them often.
So, can some and any be used in different tenses?
Yes, they can be used in the present, past, and future.
Examples, please.
Present, I have some ideas. I do not have any problems.
Easy.
Past, she bought some clothes. She did not buy any shoes.
Nice.
Future, we will need some chairs. We will not need any tables.
Very clear.
Now let's look at sentence patterns.
I'm ready.
Positive pattern, subject plus verb plus some plus noun.
Like, they have some pets.
Exactly.
Negative pattern.
Subject plus helping verb plus not plus any plus noun.
Like, we do not have any tickets.
Correct.
question pattern.
Helping verb plus subject plus any plus noun.
Do you have any questions?
Perfect.
I think I understand.
Let's check with a small quiz.
I'm excited.
Which is correct? I have any books or I have some books?
I have some books.
That's correct.
My turn. We do not have some milk or we do not have any milk.
We do not have any milk.
Great.
Another one. Do you have some brothers or do you have any brothers?
Do you have any brothers?
Excellent.
Can I ask one more?
Of course.
Would you like any juice or would you like some juice?
Would you like some juice?
Great.
Now let's look at common mistakes.
I will make a mistake.
Go ahead.
I do not have some money
Almost correct. We say, I do not have any money.
because it's negative.
Exactly.
Here's another one. Do you have some friends in London?
For a normal question, we usually say, do you have any friends in London?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
One more. Would you like any cake?
We usually say, would you like some cake?
Now I remember.
Here's a memory trick. Think of some as friendly and positive. Think of any as useful for negatives and questions.
That is easy to remember.
Let's practice spoken English.
I will start.
Hello. Do you have any bread?
Yes, I have some bread.
Do you have any butter?
Sorry, I do not have any butter.
Would you like some jam?
Yes, please. I would love some jam.
Wonderful.
Another conversation.
Excuse me, is there any water here?
Yes, there is some water in the kitchen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it's your turn, everyone. Pause the video and make one sentence with some and one sentence with any.
Then write your answers in the comments. We would love to read them.
Also, tell us where you are learning English from.
Practice every day. Small steps bring big results.
Exactly. English becomes easier when you speak every day.
Before we finish, let's do one quick revision.
We usually use some in positive sentences.
We usually use any in negative sentences and questions.
We often use some in polite offers and polite requests.
Some and any can be used with countable and uncountable nouns.
Keep practicing with real conversations.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope this lesson helped you understand some and any more clearly.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to TalkNest English.
Like this video, share it with your friends, and leave your examples in the comments.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and never stop learning English.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.